Tired of wasting all your time painstakingly looking at the charts, finding the best time to trade your meme coins? Or do you want to make some real money? Look at the Phantom wallet. $750,000 by using one simple method. And if you stick around and watch this video, I will show you the simple steps that got me from nothing to everything. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. I'm really glad you've stuck around, guys, because I can't wait to show you the success that this method can bring. But before we get into this, there's just a few things I wanted to talk about and a few charts I wanted to have a look at just to kind of show that the elements of our method can really benefit you. So let's take a look at this Spaceballs coin here. There's something interesting I wanted to point out to you. So take a look at this chart and you'll notice right at the beginning, right here, you'll see this massive, absolutely massive boost to the initial income of the chart. So, you know, all that coin just being pumped in immediately right at the beginning. Now, I want to wager that this person who devved this coin is using a similar sort of tool that we're going to use later. Now, this shows something a little bit different. Okay, so let's have a look. If you were trading, you want to look at about the top point here. Now, that is where you would make the most money. And to be honest, look at this. This time frame is, you know, it's not even really half an hour, and yet the coin can crash so fast. You've got to really be on the ball if you're going to make money with trading. So the method I propose is a lot simpler, which is using createcoin.fun. Now, take a look here. No coding is required. That used to be a big barrier for everybody. You used to have to know how to code to get your coin onto the market. That's no longer the case. And also, there's a bunch of other features that createcoin.fun has that's really going to help us when we launch our own coin. So what we need to do is have our sort of tools in the bag here that we are going to use. We're not going to use any coding, but we're just going to click a bunch of buttons and use a couple of secrets that CreateCoin has. But there's something else I wanted to talk about as well, and that is one of the secrets of CreateCoin, and it's the market that it uses. Now, looking at Pump, you can see that the market caps are not great. Okay, that one's 2.15k, and I imagine from the looks of it, this coin's been running for a while. And if we switch over, so I'm going to use Dynamic BC, but what that looks at is the Matora market, and already look at this. You can see the market caps are insane. Have a look at this, 100, I mean, look, the action on this coin is nuts. I mean, look at this chart here, and look at the trades that are just coming in. There's so much attention on this coin, and that is because, unlike Pump, the Matora market has a lot more space for your coins to move. It's not full of as many coins, so when your coin does break through, it breaks through big time. Now, first thing we've got to do is we have to connect our wallet. So we simply click that button in the top there, and then we click Phantom, and it's as easy as that, and it's done. So having a quick look in my Phantom wallet now, so I'll just quickly open this here, and yeah, $116 at the moment. That's what we're starting with. I would always recommend having about $100 in the Phantom wallet before you start this. That's the kind of money you're going to need to get this going. And at this point, that's where you can put in your narrative. You can put in your coin name. We can make a coin all about Elon Musk if we wanted to. He's a pretty big guy right now, isn't he? So, you know, we can talk about make the Musk coin, and then we can market the Musk coin, we can build the hype, we can generate it, we can go, and then we can probably fail anyway because, you know, most coins unfortunately do. However, we can near enough guarantee our success if we use the copy trending button. Now, this is another one of those secret tools that the createcoin.fun platform has. So all of these coins here, doesn't matter which coin we pick, they're all pretty good. We can look at the market caps, and we can look at kind of how they're going, and you know, to some extent you can just pick one you like the name of. So all of these are hot right now on Pump, ready to migrate over. So let's take a look at this biggest short coin. Why not? I know it doesn't have the highest market cap, but just to prove that any of these are as good as any, we'll use one with a lower market cap. So what's going to happen is your Phantom wallet is going to send out these notifications. So you need to proceed through with these anyway. This is a normal part of the process. You tick that you understand, and you're going to proceed anyway. It's just a transaction that the wallet is not used to, so that's why this comes up. Now, we need to create our liquidity pool. Okay, so this is the first thing we need to do. The only value we change here is the amount of SOL. So we need to put 0.2 SOL into here is the value I would always go with. You can put a little bit more in. Sometimes I put 0.25, sometimes I put 0.3, but 0.2 will get you there. Okay, so you confirm that transaction, and that will create your coin and put it on the market. And there we are. We're on the market right now. You can see we could look at it on Deck Screener. So our starting estimated value, we are sitting here at roughly 14.5 14.9. But what we're going to do before we have a look is we're going to click this lightning bolt and we are going to boost our token, okay? And the way we do that is we use this boost function. That will kick us up to the top of Dex Screener's charts. It costs 0.25 Sol, but that is a worthy investment. You will make that money back and then some. Okay, so again, another transaction we have to confirm. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll have a quick look on Dex Screener. Let me go into full screen here, and we'll go onto Dex Screener, have a look at, see how our coin's doing. So remember, we started at 14.9 in terms of our initial value, and let's have a look here. Okay, already we've got some pretty good action. We've got nearly 50 traders already, guys. I've hardly been here 10 seconds, and we're going to end up with 100 traders before we even reach 20 seconds. So, I mean, the numbers, guys, are just incredible every single time. That Dex Screen booster function really helps you because it pulls in the attention of all the trend chasers and all the bots. Okay, those bots that are looking for the trending coins to try and make that money really quickly, that puts money into our coin so that when we decide to pull the rug, we can put it all in our pocket. So let's have a look. Our market cap is already at 4.7k, or it was at least. I mean, this is going to change so rapidly, it's hard to keep up. So, I mean, really, what we're looking at here is that volume there, that is 33.1k, and the liquidity, that's very important. We have 2.2k in liquidity. It's nearly gone up to 3k. So, I mean, guys, I'm very used to this because I've done this so many times now, but these numbers are nuts. I mean, if you really look at it, and we've hardly been here, a minute, something like that. So we can have this run for as long as we like, and eventually, you know, we're going to decide to pull the rug on these traders, and then we are going to make some serious cash. Profit that I make from today's video, half of it I will be giving away. But let's have a look what kind of money we're going to be making. So there we go. We started at $14. We're now at 750. Remember, we put in 0.2 Sol. We now have 10 Sol in the coin itself. Okay, so what we're going to do eventually is we're going to hit this minus button right here. We're going to hit 100%. We're going to pull all of that liquidity and we're going to put it straight into our pocket. Now, as I said before, I'm going to give away half of my earnings in this video to someone who likes, comments, and subscribes. Okay, so that could be one lucky winner, could be you, but let's kind of have a look at what profit range we are working with here. Remember, we started with $100, $775, guys. We've got I think just over 600 bucks, and I've been here 20 minutes tops.